Hi guys, I'm Shanya Salgado. This is my first video on YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how I do my daily makeup routine. Okay, so as I said in my intro, I'm gonna be showing you my daily makeup routine. For this, before we start, I'm gonna tie my hair up using a clip, a crocodile clip, just in case my fringe gets in the way, so I'll just put it away like this. So your hair is tightly secured. Now I'll just be using this moisturizer. It's by Jergens. I got it from Dubai from one of my aunts. So we'll be using that. We'll take a little bit like that, rub it together, and apply on our face. So that's that. Then we're going to be using this foundation by CC UK. It's a long-lasting 24-hour foundation. This is what it looks like. It's in the color LF05 Amber. I'm going to be applying it using my beauty blender. So you take a little on either the side of your hand, or you could just directly apply it to the beauty blender. So yeah, a little like that. Not too much. If your foundation is very liquidy, you should be careful. You might get too much sometimes. So we'll just pat it on and we start applying. So I'm going to be applying this on my eyes as well. Some people just use a primer, but I don't use eye primer either. So I'll be going off camera to finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back. I applied the foundation evenly. I had to take a little more because it was not really enough for my neck. And as you can see, my earrings are gone. Yeah, because they wanted to blend in with my foundation, so I just took them off. We'll wear them on again. I'll wear them on again at the end of the video. So now I'm going to be using this cream compact powder. It's in the color 14 Harvest Beige. So this is a compact. I don't use setting powder. I use compact. It looks like this with this sponge which comes with the powder. So I'm going to apply it. You could take it and apply as generously as you want. Make sure to cover all the spots and make sure to pat it on your face rather than rubbing, because I think all the foundation will come onto your sponge. So you could just rub when you're putting for the back of your neck. Always make sure to cover your entire neck, front and back both, because if you decide to tie your hair up, you look like a ghost. And make sure to do your sides as well if you're wearing a top like what I'm wearing, just to cover it all up. Okay, we're done with that. So now we're going to be doing our eyes. I'm going to be doing my eyes using this eyeshadow palette. Which I got from one of my mom's friends in Dubai. So with this, I'm going to be doing like, okay, I'll be doing a purplish color maybe. I'll be using this light purple. I'll be using this light purple here and the darker purple up here and this light whitish color. Those three are the colors I'll be using. I won't be applying it differently. I'll just apply all of it on my complete eyelid completely. Before that, I'll be using a base color, which would be this light pink. This light pink as a base color, because then only the glittery shades will look good. So I'm going to be starting this by taking my makeup applicator, my eyeshadow applicator, that's this one, this side, and just take a little on there and start. So we'll start with the base color, which is pink. You could either use your applicator or you could use your fingers. It's your preference. Too much of the base color on there. You just want a base so that the eyeshadow sticks to your eyes well. Sticks, or else it applies well maybe. If you feel like the pink doesn't do anything, you could use... What?
What's wrong with your face?
Oh my gosh, what a gross look is that. What the heck? I couldn't see that.
Apologies for not speaking up sooner. I am her sister.
Okay. I can't see anything. So if you feel like the pink color doesn't work, you could just use any light brown. I'm going to use a light brown. I'll show you which one it is. I'm going to be using this color here, this light brown. You could even use white or cream, beige maybe. Anything that fills your base. Right. Then we're going to start by applying the lighter shade, the first one which I showed you, on our eyes. That applies well with the applicator because it's glittery, so you could use your applicator. So just continue applying it. Hopefully it looks the same on camera because it looks nice through the mirror. Get it all over your eyelid very well, and in the corner, inner corner as well. And you could drag it out. This is the way I usually do it because my mom also used to teach me how to drag from eyeshadow outwards like this, so that when someone takes a picture of you from the side, it looks very nice because your eyes just droop with it. So let's continue. Okay, the applicator is taking time, so I'm just going to use my finger now. I just like to have proper fingers. And nice to blend it out. Let's do the other eye as well. If you have a proper brush, you could use that. When you think you look really shiny and bright, that's when you should stop applying. So I would stop at this moment because I'm going to be adding another two colors on top of this. So that's how it looks like. You could brush off the excess that comes down here later. Okay, so then we're going to be applying the next color, which was the darker purple. Okay, which looks like this on the side. On the outside of your eyes, I mean. And just drag it outwards. Just keep coloring that and drag it outwards. It will look really shiny on the outside, but it'll be fine. When I'm on my daily routine, I always try to use gold and beige. I only sometimes explore the other colors. So today I decided to use these because I never use too many colors when I go outside, unless it's for a special occasion. So we're just going to continue coloring it until it looks nice. And drag it out as much as you can so that it looks even. So then, next we're going to be using... That's nice. Next we'll be using the lighter color, and that will be going in the inner corner of your eyes. And you will have anyway the top part which has the first color which you put, so that's fine. You don't need much of this lighter color, which is this one. So you just have to put it like this and apply it so that your eyes look bright on the inside. Straight from here to down. And you could have a little of the lighter color at the back of your eyes in this area. It might look very glittery, but we could fix it up with a bit of powder here and there, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for my eyeshadow. I don't use blush because I don't really have time for blush on normal days, and neither do I contour. So okay. So next we're going to be doing our eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner that I'll be using. It's by Miss Rose. It's there on wish.com as well. We'll start by the inner corner and then go outwards. We're looking for a bit of a wing shape. So not a huge wing, a subtle wing. At least I call it subtle. So we stop here and then we just draw the wing like this. And you obviously have to fill in the spaces that you have. So that's what we're going to be doing for the other eye as well. Try to make it as thin as possible. If you get mistakes, just make it thicker so that it doesn't look like you got a mistake. This has been used for a while, so it's a bit harder than I thought, but it's okay. If you want, you could close your eyes and get a proper view of it. When I close my eyes, the edge gets very wrinkly. That's why I'm doing it with it open so that it's easier. I'll be going off camera to do the other eye. This is what it looks like. You could fix it as much as you can to make it look very perfect. And I'll be right back. See you! So as you can see, I finished my eyeliner. So the wing became a little longer, but that's okay because it matches with my eyeshadow. Now we're going to be using this CN mascara. It's waterproof mascara. I always use waterproof mascara because one, it makes my eyelashes longer, and two, it's waterproof. Besides, in Sri Lanka, it's really humid and always raining. So you might either get wet in the rain or get sweaty. And right now, I think you can hear the rain. So that's because it's really bad weather at this moment. We have a 3-day warning as well. So must make sure to always take our umbrellas on our way out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my mascara wand and start applying mascara. You could just start, you could keep your eyes closed and apply, but I apply with my eyes open because it's easier. So I'm going to apply all over the place, on my eyelashes really well. I don't use fake eyelashes because I just don't have time for that in the morning. But I haven't used it that well. I have them, but I don't use them. If you like, you could use a spoon or a sponge above your eyelash when you're putting this because mascara can get messy sometimes. Same applies for the bottom. So we're going to apply some more for the other eye. All the makeup that I'm using here are either bought online or from a drugstore in this country, in Sri Lanka. That's where I'm from. So, because if you want to find good quality makeup, you have to go to a makeup boutique. And you don't find makeup boutiques everywhere in this country. You find drugstores which sell makeup because those are more common. So just apply it until you feel like it's enough. I apply a lot usually so that my eyelashes look really vibrant. Some days I don't have time for mascara as well because I just run out of time, so I don't apply it, but I apply it as much as I can on the other days. So now next, I don't use blush. I just leave my cheeks plain, but I do lipstick. So if you want to have a matte finish to your lips, as you can see on the color of my lips, you could apply your leftover foundation from your beauty blender on your lips like this, and also apply powder from your compact or your setting powder on your lips so that you get a matte finish. So I'll be using lipstick Miss Rose Professional Makeup in the color 12 Dark Red. So it's like this. This is the one. It has a lip liner, as you can see it's finished, and it also has a lip pen on the top. This is what I'm going to be using. It's actually a lipstick. So yeah, we're gonna put this on our lips. We'll start on the top, make the cupid's bow, go downwards, and I'll explain the bottom lip after I do the top. So just start with the cupid's bow. I like to fill my lips in really well. And then I just press my lips together usually. Now I'm going to be taking the pointy type edge on this lipstick and draw the bottom. I like an overlapping lip so that my lips look bigger than it is. So I draw a little below, which is around about here. So yeah, let's just continue. And we'll start from there and then go upwards. So then after I finish applying as much as I want, which I'm not done yet with, okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna take off whatever I think is going to come onto things, and in case it comes on my teeth. So you could do like, you could put your finger in your mouth and just remove whatever comes off. As you can see here, there must be some, yeah, there is a mark here. And other than that, I'm just gonna push it inwards because I don't want it to look like a fake lip or something like that. After this, I also just push my finger down near my cupid's bow because I don't want to look like I have a blended round lip on the top. Yeah, it's fine like that. So when I leave the house, I always have this small pencil which is like my corrector. So when I go to a public place, I just take it and I just draw the sharp parts and fix the bottom as well if it's not proper on the days that I'm late. So yeah, that will be my lipstick. When I'm going for special occasions, I usually put like Miss Rose. No, that's not Miss Rose. Sorry, it's Kiss Beauty. A Kiss Beauty matte liquid lip gloss thing which goes matte after a while. And then on top of that, I use this. And in the middle, I fill with like a light pinkish color. But on normal days, I just use a single color like this. If you use setting spray at the end of your makeup routine, just go ahead and put it. I don't use it, so that's why I didn't put any of it. I don't even have setting spray actually, which is funny. Anyway, so that's all for my video. This is what my look is always like. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and put a like for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Hit the bell icon and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!